post-game press conference, we are joined by the best player of the game, Anthony Samaran, and winning head coach Frankie Lim. Coach Frankie, Enlec started strong from the first quarter pa lang. Hindi nyo nga hinayaan pala mga Magnolia ng isang quarter, and first half you were able to limit Lalon, Baroka, and Polly was scoreless. Was the defense really catered towards these three, and what can you say about the execution of Timo?
Well, our defense did well against their small guys, maybe Lee, Baroka, and Halala. And I just felt that all the practices we had in the past week did as well tonight. And also, malaking bagay din yung depleted yung lineup ni Magnolia. So, but my guys played well. Offensively, defensively, they stuck to the game plan, and just happy worked well.
Coach, kanina sabi mo na today kayo matatest talaga kasi yun coming from a 3-week break and then you'll be facing championship teams. Ano yung assessment mo sa team mo so far and yung confidence mo, where is it at with your team?
Well, yung malaki naman yung confidence ko sa team ko. I think because I'm with them every day, see them in practices, and I know they would be able to execute our game plan. And we have good guards like Bolly. We have Tony, who plays a lot of positions. So that's factors, and guys like Dom coming out with big games. And so okay naman ako sa kumpiyansa dun sa tinatrabaho nila. But another game coming up is our game against Stockton Tex and in Candon, and another big test for us.
Coach, na-mention mo na nga na yung next game nyo is against TNT and you're yet to also face mga SMB teams and all of the big teams and championship teams. Can you walk us through yung preparation na gagawin ninyo to face them?
Preparation namin? We will just like what we did here against Magnolia, we will prepare very hard and see, make a good game plan and see how it works.
Anthony, I'll go over to you. How does it feel for you and of course for your team? Do you know you're one of the hottest teams in the league right now? So of course the morale, the energy, how has this affected the team?
I mean, it's good. I feel great and it rubs off to our whole team. But I've got to give credit to Coach Frankie. He had a great game plan for us, both offense and defense, and we managed to get the win.
What sparked Enlec's this conference? What went right, and how are you guys gelling together so well?
I guess it just starts in practice. So we go hard in practice. We're getting our extra shots up every day. We're hitting the weight room. Again, our coaching staff are doing a great job in preparing us well for each game.
What can you also say about the other players that really stepped up? You know, Robert Bollick, you really complemented each other on the court, and he's doing so well in terms of shooting and making his presence known on the court. So all the other players and gelling with them and working together with them, can you tell us more about that and your chemistry?
Yeah, I guess, again, in practice, we're working on our plays. We're really looking at if he gets double teamed, where we're going to go. Am I going to flash? Am I going to pop? So the coaches have really helped us with that. I feel it's made us, well, me especially, a lot smarter on the court and knowing what to do. So yeah.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, your last game was March 13. Napakatagal pa nung was there any concern coming in tagal nyo natenda na come out against a team like Magnolia na Ras, and were you surprised na ganun yung outcome na resulta ng laro?
Oh, now, dun sa, we were out for like 18 days. And maganda naman yung pacing namin. We had a couple of rest days, tapos meron din may hard practices, meron may light practices. And I thought yung pacing namin sa mga players was crucial.
Coach, yung Magnolia kasi their calling card is defense. So, ano masabi sa offense nyo ngayon na you're able to score 87 points against them? Against a team like Magnolia?
Well, mahirap magsalita kasi undermanned sila eh. Wala si Rome, defensive player. Wala si Abreva, another defensive player. And Junicio is their 3-point shooter. So malaking bagay yun. And we just lucky to make our shots. And that gave a lot of confidence to the players. And syempre mas mataas ang confidence level nila when they know that our game plan is working. So I think that was it.
Tony, 32 points and 10 rebounds where you really made your presence felt in the paint as well as your 3-point shooting as well. But how much did it help that Calvin Abreu wasn't going to be a best on defense for you to get this double double?
It was big. So he's a great player, he's strong, and every time we play against each other, it's a battle. So yeah, he wasn't there today, so I took advantage.
Would you have liked it if he was there present?
Yeah, why not? I'm always ready.
Coach, kumusta na yung kamay niya?
Ano yan?
Kamay.
Okay na. Okay na.
Therapy na.
Therapy na.
Therapy.
Healing na.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Once again, congratulations to Elmo.
Thank you.
Thank you.